Hi, first grade friends. I want to share with you a writing assignment that you are going to be working on this week. I've gone ahead and pulled up the form that I've emailed to your parents. It is specialized because it is a form just for you. So I emailed a form to each of you that you'll be able to type in, and then I will automatically get your work saved in my Google Drive. You won't even need to worry about saving anything because once you start typing, it will automatically save to my drive. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to open up the form, and I have tried to make text boxes every place you are going to be typing or filling in. And it says that you are going to write and illustrate about 3 different things you did over your break. So you notice on the lines here, I have typed in click here to type. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what you could do. So on spring break, I'm thinking of something I did. I had a family board game night. So right here on the lines, I could type, I played board games with my family. Now I want to add a detail about that. So I could say the name of one of the board games I played. We played Yahtzee. So I could write another sentence. One game we played together was Yahtzee. Okay, so I just wrote about one thing I did on spring break. Now, if I want to try to find a picture that goes with that, I could click here to insert an image. Let me show you how you can insert an image in Google. So if you go over on Google where it says insert, you will click insert an image. Now, I always go to search from the web. So if I want to try to find a picture of Yahtzee or a board game. Oh, there are some pictures of Yahtzee that came up. So I like this picture here. So I'm going to click it. And you see the little check mark comes up. I'm going to click insert. And there's my picture. I can put it right there. And I can make the picture smaller or bigger. I've got a nice matching picture to go with my writing that I just did. Okay, then I'll come down, I'll click, and I will type in something else I did over the break. So that is how you do the spring break writing assignment. I will make sure that I type out those tips and tricks for inserting images there on your spring break writing assignment. All right, friends, that's all for now. I can't wait to read about what you did over the break.